Oh God, no.
Hi guys, my name is Shannon and you're watching Shannonigans. So coming up on the show today, I'm going to show you behind the scenes of the National Ploughing Championships 2017. Ooh! The National Ploughing Championship is an outdoor festival and it is easily the biggest festival in Ireland, holding over 150,000 people. Well, sure you'd never be finding your friend there anytime soon, would you? Not just people from Dublin, oh no. People from all different walks of life travel to Tullamore for the ploughing, which is a competition between farmers to see who can plough the field the fastest using machine things. Very crazy and wild farming, you know. As you know, I was there getting the behind the scenes footage for you guys, but without realising I was actually there secretly getting myself a husband, because oh my god, those farmers are stunning. Like, who would have thought? Are you single? Do you wanna marry me? It was ridiculous how unprofessional I was. So here's the behind the scenes of the National Ploughing Championship. Let's check it out. On the road again. Dun, dun, dun. Oh my god, we're definitely in the ploughing now.
This is ridiculous.
This isn't a road.
Oh no!
It smells like farm life. City girl in the farm world, no. Ollie gonna cry.
This is not gonna be funny. Shit, look! Look!
Oh my god. What are they all in the sky? They look like little aliens. Hi guys, so at the ploughing now, the National Ploughing Championships 2017. So I am going to show you around the place and it's going to be great. I've actually never been here, so I don't know what to expect. So I'm going to be a proper tourist. So stay tuned. It's a blonde cow like me. We are currently on a never-ending quest to find the toilets. We cannot find them. We've asked people. They keep saying left, right, but yeah, here we are. Still walking around. Walking around here is very hard, so I just have to take just a little nap for myself, and I will get back to the walking in a few minutes. Okay, bye. So there you have it. I hope you enjoyed it, because I definitely did. Unfortunately, that is all I have time for this week, but before I go, I'm going to leave you with an interview I got with a right out cow. Be sure to like and subscribe for more shenanigans. See you next week. So I'm here today with a very special guest. Guys, it's Sheila the cow. Now her mouth's a bit full at the moment, but nonetheless she said she'd give us a few minutes of her time to answer a few questions. So Sheila, first thing I want to ask you, how are you finding the National Ploughing Championship? And like, do you just love coming here with all your friends? Do you feel like, you know, people just like look at you like a piece of meat? Why are you ignoring me? I think Frank wants a piece of his interview. I think we're done here, guys. We're done here. It's a wrap.
Go in and get an interview with
Frank. Like, quick, follow me. Quick, follow me. We've heard Frank now. Frank, can I just ask you a few questions, Frank? Frank, I was talking to Sheila there. She's very rude. Oh, right. Okay, you're up and awake. So, Frank, can you tell us what are you eating there? Now, would you call yourself a vegetarian? So, how are you feeling about becoming a future burger? Are you aiming to become a Big Mac or a quarter pounder? Okay, I think we're going to move along now. Thanks.
Yeah.
I feel so bad. Ever go when you're laughing, you can't move? Because you're laughing so much. Okay, look. Okay, I'm ready. I'm ready for my close-up.